stop what you're doing. This brush will absolutely change the game for your cream contour. This is the BU Beauty Flathead Foundation Brush. I absolutely love it for blending out contour. I've used the Pink Honey Face Frosting Bronzer. And this has been on my face for a hot minute, and we know that this bronzer does like to sink into the skin, so it can be hard to blend if you don't have the right tools. But I'm just going to show you how well this works. So I just pat this into the skin, lifting it up as well. I'm not doing any rubbing whatsoever, so you're not going to take any of your foundation off. Look at that. So easy. Let's do the other side. This is the most satisfying thing in my whole makeup routine. I absolutely love it. Make sure that you blend this all the way into the hairline. Last bit. And you're done. This whole brush set though is incredible. It is vegan and cruelty free, and I also find that the brush handle is really good. A lot of the time I find that brush handles seem to crack. For example, I have had these brushes for absolutely ages and they are just such amazing quality. They have a brush for absolutely everything. This is my favourite for powder because it just gets right up in there. Make sure that you check out the BU Beauty brushes on TikTok shop.